get back to you here in next video or so. So we're gonna check out the E60 today. I finally figured out how much I have in this damn thing. It almost sickens me to even think about it, to be honest with you. So it looks pretty good sitting here. So this is, if you don't know, if you're new to the channel, this is the COPART E60. And today I'm doing a video showing what it took, how much money, how much parts it took to get this COPART BMW E60 back up to par or even semi-par, good mechanical working order. So for those of you that don't know about this, Little Kenny used to own it, lived in Philly. Little Kenny is pretty tough on it, and this car was rough shape, but I tell you what, I've been looking through COPART and there's a lot of cars on there that's even worse shape than this that bring full retail. And you know, I always went along with this car. This car has 92,000 original miles on it, so it's worth about $7,000 to $8,000. So we're gonna see right now if we came in about where we need to where if I wanted to sell it, I could at least break even on it. So let's see. All right, so we have the list here. So basically when I bought this car, the trade I made with John for the E60, the E90 that I gave him, and the E60 and the E39 that he gave me, I have $1,700 in both cars, okay? So basically $650 in each car. No, that wouldn't be right. $850 in each car. Okay. So I have it figured up at $1,700 in the E60 if I don't sell the E39. New engine. I paid $700 for the new engine that was shipped to the front door. To the new water pump and thermostat, it was about $290 for those two items. The new valve cover is $116. That included the PCV vanilla solenoids. I got those from Dean for OEM ones. They're $150. Radiator hoses, $50. That's about what I had in those. Expansion tank, the Fevy Bilstein expansion tank is $50. CCV hose, $25. AC kicked on. Maybe you can still hear me. I don't know. Let me see. LED lights, $60 and some free ones. Not down with that being on, because I got a set of free ones, so we did LEDs and most everything. The halos, I don't know if I put those in the high beams or not. I can't remember. Let me see here. I already lost my spot. Headlight lenses, $200. I think they're maybe a little bit more than $200, and they were junk. They work, but the eyebrow things look like shit in them. Starter, $65. That was the made in Japan starter from Amazon. Batteries, $50 from Walmart. We use a $50 battery in all the BMWs and never ever have a problem with them. Control arms and sway bar links for thrust arms and sway bar links is $150. The eBay ECU, when I first bought it, I had to buy a new ECU for it. The other one's flood damage, $250. ECU cast and a key. ECU cloning from Nate was $150 for that. Oil pan gasket was $25. Rear main and oil filter housing gaskets are $25. Transmission fluid and two filters was $170. Actually, that's I'm doing a math in my head here real quick. 50, 60, yeah, $179 probably, around $170. I just ordered the other filter last night, filter pan, the OEM, that was $70. Because the transmission pan is still dripping, still oozing. Front drive shaft was bad. It was $120. That was for a used one. The wheels were $600. Tires are $225. Brake front rotors and all the pads. So front rotors only and all pads all around was $80 for all that. 3-stage intake that didn't work, $250 for that. By the time I figured the cloning from Nate and the shipping and everything to get all that done, we can't really count that because I still have that, right? I can still sell that. This thing doing all right, or what's going on here? Battery low, maybe it'll keep going. Maybe it won't, we'll see. Fuel filter, $50. AC charge, $15 for Freon. Front CV axles, $200. Miscellaneous oil, coolant, etc. Fluids, $100 for that. $200 for license and reg. $150 rear wing. $50 HID bulbs and holder. That's $4,566 without the price of the car. $1,700 for the car is $6,266 total. It still needs cam sensors, I believe, is what the next thing is. $150 for those if we get a good deal. It needs new headlights. If I buy even remotely new, somewhat decent aftermarket headlights or new headlights, you're looking at least $1,000 for that, for facelift ones. New bumper. New bumper's kind of, the front bumper's kind of rough. $300 figure for a bumper and paint. And that brings, if I fix everything, that brings the grand total to $7,716 in that car. What's it worth? Maybe $7,000 to the right person. I really don't know. 92,000 miles, clear title, everything's new. Maybe $7,000, maybe. What has it paid from YouTube so far? Probably, I haven't looked it up, just a roundabout guesstimate, probably $5,000 it paid me so far. Maybe a little more in YouTube revenue. So that's the E60, kind of a short video. The camera's dying. We'll have another video out, an E39 coming up. A lot of people want to buy that car from me. So I'll do a video what I have in it and what all it took to get it there. That's going to be it, guys. Thanks for watching. Back in a new video pretty soon. See you later.